Hey, good morning. It's Tom Sheeran, and I'm here with some new updates on all the happenings around Dunwoody. There's a lot of construction, a lot of dirt being moved around. I've got some pictures and updates. First, you'll see the new mixed-use development coming in Dunwoody Village Parkway. We're going to see commercial and residential there. Don't know anything yet as far as any retail or anything. I'll let you know when I hear more on that. Then on the corner of Chamblee, Dunwoody, Mount Vernon, that's the old Steam Clean car wash location. That's going to be an unknown restaurant at this point. Third picture you'll see is the old Hickory House location. Mostly everybody knows now that's going to be SunTrust Bank. And then the fourth one, coming soon, Jimmy John Subs. That's right here in Dunwoody Village, around the corner from the Fresh Market. So I expect that to be open in maybe 2 weeks. I'll keep you posted on that. So that's all the things that are happening right now in Dunwoody. Tom Sheeran for Dunwoody Live. Thank you.